Big up Crosses TV.
Boy, Crosses TV has some content there, so man.
Hello. Hi, what's up? Me good? My name is Sash. I got your number from a friend. I'm doing some business. Would you be interested? I do balls combo, fuck and suck, fuck only, and goose thread. Hello? Huh? What? Okay. So, yeah, so I would be interested. I'm from Kingston. Huh?
I'm sorry, we're from Kingston.
Well, me drive. Which part of Jamaica you there?
Manchester, Mandeville.
Oh, Mandeville. You're not that far. You talk like you're that far, like at St. Elizabeth or one of them places. Yeah. So you say,
Well,
can do it tomorrow night if you want. Can do it tomorrow night.
Alright, I'm not too interested, honestly, right now.
Okay, alright then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Probably next time.
Okay, cool. Blood clot.
Hey, what's up, baby? Hey.
Man, I went to TikTok do one big ass clock glitch that man, a big glitch that reached about 2 times already. Oh, me know how I reach it, man. I glitch up. No, Queen Incognito. Intense. Me have my birthday next week, Thursday. Me have one look much. I can come catch one speed for me. Come guys, double guys. I know we can't reach a number 20. We're going back.
One more person. Somebody else in a rose.
Yo, Mr. This ranking.
Guys, why not activate this? One more person in a rose.
It's hard, you know?
A 4 different person, baby. You alone can't send a rose to activate
Don't
it.
feel like we give up, dog. 1.9K for each at 39. Ranking hard, man. But you know when you have the right set of people, them not hard still. But you know when you try and you push, it's hard. When you try, it's harder. But if you not try, you're not gonna feel. So you still have to try. Guys, double! Alright now. Intense! I only am pussy again because I'm a man pussy. Oh, right, that man from last night. Intense, thanks for the confetti. I nah give up, man, but sometime, boy, rough. I man, I send a pum pum picture last night off the internet. The man say, "Wow, yeah, man, me love you." Hello. Hello. Eh? Alright. Mr. Me take one picture of our internet and a man say, "Wow, I love you." Hey, a man fool, you know so that is the internet picture. And like, well, you have some man used to know still. So alright, bad too bad. We need to live and kick off live now. Cause this not cute. Them stop me and I go and go. This now go with nothing today. Now go on, must see what I go on. Alright now. Alright. Let's see what's going on now. Let's see what's going on. Man, 2 girls got done, man. You know, so sometimes a prank call night them lame and sometimes you have a prank call them night nice. And some of the time them is nice and some of the time them the people them just lame.
Getting a host. Hey, Kishi.
That girl, intense.
Thank you guys for the rose. Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
Guys, we
I
can't.
pum me at you want to pum to buy?
No, you can't put me mistress. So who is this?
I'm say me I sell some pum. I want any to buy. Hello?
Who is this?
Akim.
Akim.
Awa.
Who is this?
Me say Akim.
So where you know came I from?
What?
Where you know came I from?
Me no know nobody. Me say if you want a pum for buy, sir. You do 2 o'clock and them some of them? The man that sound slow. Intense! Angle that! Angle them the sparkling somebody. Them the cute. Them make a sparkle some of them nice. Hello, me go call Andrea man. Can be a lame number on give me. Me go video call Andrew. Him slow man. Slow bad. Them they cute. How Andrew do? No, you have to send it to my DM, baby. How Andrew do? Call me. You remember when Andrew called me? Andrew say Andrea, in the kitchen. I tell me say woman there in the kitchen. Him just don't want to see me. Me just don't want to see a woman in the kitchen. So laugh till nearly pissed to blood clot. You want to see him too? You want to see him face? Maybe I said Jesus Christ. Cancel him, tell him. Alright. Must see that one now. Guys, remember the $20 of the PayPal, please. Who can afford to send the $20 of the PayPal? My PayPal then I'm buy you. Please and thanks. Somebody not PayPal. You don't have PayPal. Give and it will. Oh, that song they go. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Who is it?
My name is Kim. I got your number from a mutual friend.
Kim.
Yes.
You got a missed call from me?
No, I got your number from a mutual friend. I'm doing some business. Would you be interested?
No, sir. Man.
But you don't know what kind of business I'm talking about.
What kind of business is that?
But the balls combo, fuck and suck and fuck only, and goose thread.
No, sir. Wrong person, wrong number.
So you don't have any friends that want to be a sugar mommy? I could be a sugar mommy.
How is that?
I have money now. I say my name Kim, sir. My name Kim.
Have a nice night.
You don't have any friends can battery me?
No, sir.
Your friends them down the battery. Brother, man say no, sir. Wrong number. Can't trick me. You can't trick me. Alright guys. Let me see. Jennifer. My MVP intense. How much gloves you have now? About 3 or 2, no? But it don't make no sense. You cannot send them out. Cause it don't make no sense. Cause at 6 days left for my birthday anyways. Then the gloves are gonna expire. Wrong somebody, man. No depend that, my love. Dallas. Michaela. Michaela.